everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you, I learned this onion ki sabzi when you don't have anything to cook at home, if you're confused. A lot of times we do. So this onion ki sabzi, just onion, Malai onion. It's very quick, takes 5 to 7 minutes. I learned online from a channel, and since I started making it super yum, you will end up eating extra roti. So Shivani, bring it over here. I have used small onions. If you have pearl onions, that's fine. Otherwise you can take big onions and then cut into big pieces, and I have separated them. So I have separated them. Also I'm using few pearl onions like so, and then I took one big onion, and it's very easy, very easy. So I'm going to start. First put a pan on a stove. You can use, I'm using olive oil, you can use vegetable oil or any oil. 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. It becomes super yum. Once the oil get little hot, we will add I'm adding some hing, and then we have, I think it still need to, we're gonna add this mustard seeds and then zira, cumin seeds. We'll add mustard seeds and cumin seeds. I think it's 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Then I have this grated ginger. I love ginger. I'll add ginger. And then I think this is a 4 Thai chilies. I'm adding 4. You can adjust according to your taste. If you want less spicy, you can add less. And I'm just gonna saute it a bit. So hing, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, ginger and green chilies. So just a bit saute for a few seconds, and now we'll add our onions. So like I said, big onions you can separate, or you can use the pearl onions. I'm gonna add onions. It doesn't take long, it just takes 5-7 minutes. I'm going to put it on a medium high now heat. Just for a few, stir it. Keep stirring till it gets little translucent. So keep stirring for maybe a minute or so. Now I'm going to cover it for maybe a minute on medium heat. So make sure when you cover it, it's on a medium heat, not on full heat. And onion gets soft really soon. You can lift the cover and stir it again. You can see it's kind of getting translucent. I have made this 3 tomatoes puree, like medium size 3 tomatoes. Now we are going to add tomatoes. And I'm going to make it a little high on heat. Now we'll start adding our spices. So I'm putting half a teaspoon of turmeric haldi, This is 1 spoon or 1.5 spoon of dhania powder. Then we already added green chili, but if you still want to have a little bit more, you can add red pepper. Then according to your taste, you can add salt. And half a teaspoon of cumin seed zira powder. Mix it well. So make sure now it's on high flame. Once the oil starts separating, it means the tomato puree is now almost done, because you need to make sure all the spices and tomato puree is well done. And since we don't get Malai in US, so we'll be using cream, heavy whipped cream. In case you don't even have a heavy whipped cream, you can use milk. Once I was out of whipped cream, so I used milk. This we'll use later. It's kind of okay. So as you can see, all the spices look well done, and even the tomato puree. It's leaving oil. So once any masala start leaving oil, sabzi, it means it's cooked well. And now we will add our meat. So I'm going to add first 2 to 3 tablespoons of cream. It makes it look really rich. And we will let it now a little dry, and cream we will add towards the end once everything else is done. Cream is also kind of getting dried up. It's up to you how much you want to dry up the cream. If you want it like this, that's fine, or if you want to let it dry a little bit more, just let it sit for some more time. Put one more last thing that's gonna add more flavor to it. So this is Kasoori methi, dried methi. It brings a great flavor. I'm just gonna add in the end. Turn it off. Mix it well. Smells so good. I'm sure it's so yum too. Now finally we will garnish it with cilantro, my favorite thing. I don't miss cilantro in any of the dishes. Mix it, and now let's serve in our dish. It's so rich and it's so yum. It's just sabzi itself. You don't need anything with it. I'm gonna garnish it with more my favorite green cilantro, dhania. It's really yum. It's very quick. Anytime when you're confused what to cook, get the onions. We all have onions at home. And if case you don't get cream, guys, you can always use your whatever milk you use at home. Just add 2 to 3 tablespoons and it will still make it very rich and creamy. Amazing. Here's my creamy onion ki sabzi. Bye bye guys. Do make and please let me know.